Hello everyone. Our salad for today is not your ordinary salad. This peach salad is so refreshing, especially on summer days when you crave something cold and satisfying. So stay with me and let's make this easy peach salad together. Let's start with our fruits and veggies. First, make a bed of greens. I'm using spinach for today since that's what I had at home, but you can also add arugula. If you are using large spinach leaves, cut them and chop them into big chunks. If you have baby spinach, you can skip this step. Next, slice your peach as shown in the video. I'll be using two peaches because it's the star of our dish. Try to find two ripe peaches. Their sweet, juicy flavor complements the rest of the ingredients perfectly. Now cut your cherry tomatoes in half. I love adding cherry tomatoes to my salads because they bring such a delicious flavor. I like that this salad doesn't require any special equipment, so you can actually make it at home. I'm sure if you make this salad once, you will want to make it again. Add them to your greens. I like to arrange everything nicely on the serving plate to give it a beautiful presentation. Then toss in some fresh blueberries. Now to add texture, sprinkle in some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I also like to add a few walnuts or pecans. Use whichever you have on hand. That is it. It's so simple and no fuss. Now for the dressing, this will be super quick too. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, and a pinch of salt. I always like to whisk my dressing well in a separate bowl until it thickens a bit and all the flavors come together nicely. Pour the dressing over your salad and you are done. It's only going to take about 10 minutes in total. This is one of those salads you often find in restaurants and wonder why does it taste so good. If you are anything like me and always have these thoughts, comment down below and give this recipe a like. If you enjoyed this peach salad, you will also love my previous strawberry salad too. Don't forget to check it out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.